Hi, this is Professor Lipuma of the New Jersey Institute of Technology, making a recording for my Technical Communications class, drawing on material from my text, Fundamentals of Undergraduate Education and Learning. We're returning to an earlier concept that we talked about, which was goal plus target plus situation equals package. Now, for us, the reason we're coming back to this is at the core of the communication process that we're looking at in technical communication is this idea of creating a package. And everything that's gone before has been trying to set up the larger conception of what we've been doing. But now we have to look at these very specific areas of goal, target, and situation to understand that you as the sender have these as your central concerns. The more you can understand the goal for yourself, the target that you're trying to approach and send your package to, and the situation which will be used, the more you'll be able to know that. And so to help you do that, we've come up with a couple acronyms. For goal, what we want you to do as a sender is to determine what you want. This is focused on you, and we use the acronym MIMES, and this stands for message, intent, method of delivery or means, ends or end result, and then finally success. On the other hand, when you're thinking about the target, we discuss what someone else needs or wants, and we think about tribe. Again, that's target, relationship, influence, background, and environment. So now the next two presentations that we'll do will go into each of these much more specifically. We have one presentation on MIMES and one presentation on tribe. Now, when you do this, what you really want to realize is that the situation is perhaps the most difficult of these to do, and so we don't put an actual whole presentation on this because it changes for every person at every time. Every time you try to understand how your package will interface with your target, you have a new situation, and so what you're really looking at is the details of that experience. What obstacles you may face when your package is being encountered is what you're trying to figure out in that situation. Knowing that they're going to look at your package in their office doesn't help you. When we talk about situation, you want to think about what in that office will act as a barrier to your package successfully being taken in and done the way you want. Are there transmission obstacles, such that there's a secretary who will get the package before it goes to the person that you're targeting? Is there a interpersonal obstacle such that if they see your name, they may not read it, or that they don't read emails, and so that method of delivery isn't good? The idea here is that we can't go further into situation because each situation is dependent on the target you pick, your goal, and where this is going to occur. So please move forward and watch the video on MIMES if you're interested in learning about questions to ask about goal, and the presentation on tribe if you're interested in learning about questions to ask to better understand your target. Thank you.